fixing the whole street, are they? Interesting. Okay. There, doing this. Oh, back in. When I was learning how to drive, I was taught never to sit in the middle of the street like that. You don't sit in the middle of the road. A car could come and hit you. There's a big hurry to go nowhere. I'm in a big hurry to wait in traffic, sit at a red light. People, they don't even know what lane usage means. They're too busy with their touch screens. Adriana. There it is. There it is. Have a good night. Turn. Can't see what the name is. Hang on. There, have a nice day. I'm just curious. This is a 84. This is a 69. Whew. Man. That's it. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Have a good day. Thank you. That's green. Get off that phone, man. Old dude. He's got his phone in his hand. That's why he's just... I can't believe not one person honked their horn. Yeah, SUV, wall-to-wall SUVs. Enjoy the hell you created for yourselves. Good luck with that traffic. And go around me. You've got tons of room. Idiot. If it was like a warning honk, I could understand, but it's like an obnoxious honk. You know, it's an obnoxious beep. Obnoxious get out of the way honk. This is going to be fun. I mean, it's not going to affect me. I'll just be able to go right through. But you know, all these idiots. Good luck with that. Let me see something here. Don't move! Don't move! This is fun. I could watch this all day. Look at this. Yep. Back here for the third time today. There you go.
Not at the moment. A couple of weeks.
Esther.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Now he's over there blocking the whole street. Honking the horn. What's that gonna do? Nothing. That's not gonna do anything. You're all stuck here. What is this guy doing?
You're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
This is your Uber Eats delivery. I'm at the address you left on the app. I'm not sure which apartment it is. I'm leaving it at the yellow door on the side of the building since the front entrance has closed. So I'm gonna leave it here. It's 12:22 p.m. Thank you. I tried to get you by text messages, and I'm trying to reach you by phone call, but you're not answering. So I'm leaving the food here. Thank you. I took pictures with my phone too. I love when they say you meet them outside and then you never see the person and you can't reach them by voicemail or text message, you know. And then they go, oh, he never delivered it. Whatever. I have pictures, I have body cam video, everything. All right, let's go. I left it right there. You saw it. I saw it. You saw it. My camera saw it. I took pictures of it with my own phone app, and that's it. So if anybody wants to say, he never delivered the food, then I have incontrovertible evidence of me delivering it. Thank you. Are you gonna run me over? I thought they would let me, but then they just, you know, yeah, go ahead. Maniac, Juliet 4, Victor 752. Gotta keep it on that Audi. He almost ran me over. As I'm going past him, he hits the gas. Almost runs me over. I'm too important to sit here in my Audi. I don't have time for this. I've got to race to another stoplight. That's what people got to do. They got to race from stoplight to stoplight, going nowhere. Nice parking. Excellent parking. That's amazing parking. Oh, she's on her phone. She's on her phone. Of course she's texting at the same time. Imagine you're just walking across the street, you know, minding your own business, and some fool texting at the same time, driving a 5,000-pound, you know, SUV, is not looking at the road, but they're on their phone texting, or they're checking their Instagram or their TikTok or whatever the hell they're doing. Frightening.